In this video, we're going to cover how to sign up with an XLeap account. To begin, go to the link provided and then click on the sign up link as shown here. From here, you'll enter your email, a password, confirm that password, identify whether you are 13 years or older, check that I agree box there and click the sign up button. Now you'll be able to select your user type. Simply locate the type of user account you are attempting to set up and go ahead and click that button. Now it's time to set up your user profile. If you selected a teacher or a student role, you'll go ahead and assign yourself to a school and a district. If you have a school subscription code, you'll check that box and enter the code in this field here. Then it's as simple as filling out your first name, last name, phone number, and email, and your physical address. Once you've completed all that information, go ahead and click the next button. Now you have the opportunity to upload a profile photo. If you don't have a photo at this point, that's okay, you can always skip this step, but if you do want to upload a profile photo, simply click on the button and add your image accordingly. After you've attached your image, go ahead and click that upload button. Then click the next button to continue with the process. Finally, you'll be allowed to review your information. Make sure that it's correct. If not, go ahead and click that little edit button and edit it so that it is correct. And finally, click the create profile button. Now an email has been sent to the email that you attached to your account. Be sure to click the link in the email to activate your account, and then you're ready to get started with creating your XLeap profile and portfolio. Be sure to check out the other videos to learn how to maximize your use of the XLeap platform.